Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different ways you can lace the YEEZY 700s. I've got the Inertia pair here that I've very recently picked up. One of the ways I'm going to show you is this way. You have the laces hanging on the outside of the shoe. You don't have it on the inside. You feel me? It looks good, not too bad. That's one of the ways. I'm going to show you 4 different ways. Some of them I've seen before, but some of them I've never seen before, just like this way. So like if you lace your shoes like this, you're probably going to be one of the first people to do it. And after every method of lacing them, I'm going to show you an on feet. Now without further ado, let's get into it. So let's just get straight into the first way then. Got the YEEZY 700s right here. So for the first way, what we're going to do is pull the laces, make sure they're fairly tight, not too tight. You don't want to like strangle your shoes and get them looking really ugly, but you do want them to be tight enough so there's enough lace at the top of the shoes. So about that will do really. Then you take the inside lace and thread that through that hole right there on the outside, so it just goes underneath, just like so. Then what you got to do is, see how this lace is super long, that's just way too long. So you have to pull the lace from the inside to make sure that these 2 bits here, these 2 laces are the same length. So you don't want it to look like that either. So you just tuck it down, make sure it's completely out of the way. Then you take the laces, you hold them together, you put the lace over just like that, and then you push the laces up underneath through that hole just like so. Then you hold the bottom bit and pull, and that's it. As you can see now, that is the first way. So this is like the factory lace looking method, but the laces are only on one side of the shoe. So as you can see, they just hang out on the outside. You don't have the laces on the inside. So that is the first way. You got that factory lace looking style on the outside of the shoe only. Now let's get into the on feet. So for the second style, I'm just going to go ahead and reset the shoes, put them back to how they looked when you first get them. For the second style then, what we're going to do is we're going to take the lace, make a very small knot on the, just like the tip of the lace, just like that, and then do it on the inside lace as well. Just like that, and then all you have to do is completely unlace the shoes. And then just pull, getting the shoes to look as loose as possible. And that is the second way then. So normally what happens is if you don't tie the knot as you're walking, the lace might fall out, and you don't want to walk on your laces because it might rip them. But if you tie that knot on the end, it means there's no way for the lace to fall out. You can see I'm shaking it, it's not going to come out. So that was the second way. Now I'm going to show you what these look like on feet as well, and that's just a super cool way to loosely lace your YEEZY 700s. Now let's go on to the on feet. So for the third way then, what we're going to do is just, once again like the first method, lace up, not too tight, because like I said in the first way, you don't want to have your shoes looking strangled, because that just makes them look ugly. No one's trying to make their Yeezys look ugly, are they? So you just have to pull them, not too tight, but just tight enough so there's enough lace at the top of the shoes. Make sure the laces are pretty much the same length at the top. They don't have to be exactly the same, but just enough. Then you go ahead, wrap it around your 2 fingers like so, and then push the laces up underneath just like that. Then hold the bottom bit and pull up until you get it to about the length that you want. So now you have that factory lace look to them. You can even leave it like this, it's completely up to you. But me personally, I like to have it looking loose all the way down. So with the lace that's left over, you can just go ahead and pull on the shoes around the lace parts and get them looking loose. And that is the third way. That is the factory lace look. As you can see, you can make it neater. This is just how I like to wear it personally. And you can have like the bow not looking too big. It's really up to you. If you don't want the bow to look too big, just hold on the knot and pull down like that. So that was the third way. Now I'm going to show you what this way looks like on feet. So for the fourth way then, this way is super tricky, so if you want to do this way, you got to pay real close attention. In fact, I'm going to just zoom in so you can see a close-up look as I'm showing you. So what you do is, you take the lace, you make a bow just like that, so about to this part right here, and then pinch it at the end, and then you take the lace. You've got to make sure that the lace is flat, and you just roll it going over the bow, as you can see what I'm doing. This way is definitely the hardest, but as long as like you just pinch the lace as you're doing it, it should be okay. And then when you get to the top bit here and you have this bit of lace, you just have to like thread it through behind the lace just like that. And then pull on the lace and pull tight. And that is the spring look. So as you can see, that's what that way looks like. And that is the fourth way. Now I'm going to show you what this way looks like on feet too. Of course, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, this is like the weirdest way to wear them in my opinion, but I think, you know, if you try and do like something different with your laces and switch up your style a little bit, then it can be cool. Now I'm gonna show you what this style looks like on feet too. So that's going to wrap it up for this video then. Hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. If you got any other ways you like to lace your YEEZY 700s, also comment that down in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button too. Turn the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. If you did find this video helpful, if you did find it interesting, and if you did enjoy it, smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace. Yo, what is going on? Oh my days, his hat is way too big. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Maybe I should put it around the other way. Should I leave it like that? Yo, oh my days. Quick thumbnail for the gang.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it.